Guys, welcome to Online Cash. Today we'll be talking about a paying app called pawnsapp. So you earn on this app by being online, just owning your data. So they they accumulate um internet data through owning your data, and they don't just take your data or finish your data. Maybe they use your data. It's the remaining data. This network, all this MTN, Glo, and the rest of them, um, you find out that most time you don't use up to the amount they actually say you use. Maybe just watching a video for 5 minutes, you find out, or watching a TikTok video for 30 minutes, you find out that about 500 MB or 1 gig is gone. So, um, well, most times it's not actually 500 MB that is gone. They are just drawing the data. Those network, they are just so these apps um try to accumulate those data that are not being used. Those data that are not being used, they just accumulate them, and it helps them um to get internet informations through those data. You get, so they are not actually using your main data. They are just using from the remainers, so the ones that you are not using. So they don't actually use your data. Now that is how they work. Now, like I said, you earn by just owning your data than being online. In fact, just on your data, then you don't even have to use your phone. If you are the type that uses Wi-Fi or connect to Wi-Fi, you can just own your Wi-Fi down and it accumulates, or you own your data in and it accumulates. It doesn't really sucks your battery, so just leave it at the background. And when I mean at the background, you don't have to open the app. Ehen. So just on your data, and don't worry, I will show you how it works and how everything goes. So after clicking the link in the description of this video or at the comment section, you come. I think um I'm creating the third account. Yes, the third account from this Spons app. I've created two accounts before. So the first one I created, I lost the account, and the second one. So this is the third one. This third one, I'm just picking it for this video so that I'll show you how to sign up and all of that. So you can choose to use your email or continue with your Google. So for it to be easier, I'll just use Google. So just try to choose an account. Let me just choose this. So I'm configuring the um my email account because of like I said before, security issues and all of that. Google to say open your concept. So I agree. So just wait for it to load. Okay, enable notification to end without notifications. You might miss out on the highest paying offers. So I forgot. You can see entry other ways by playing games and doing other tasks. So that's why they are showing you might miss out on the highest paying offers. So just press continue, allow, enable location, enable location to end. Without location access, we can't provide any opportunities. Now this is not a must. This is not a must. You can own your data and off your locations, and the thing the app will say accumulate your money for you. But if you want to do tax, you can on your location, but I don't want to on my location, so I just put not now. Enable internet sharing, don't waste your earnings, turn on internet sharing and earn extra income. So this is the main way you earn. you get. So you just go continue, and voila, that's it. So so as you can see, mention 5 exclusive surveys reward to go. So if you do this survey, well, I don't earn through surveys. You can choose to earn through surveys or do other tax. So it's just by owning my data, that is how I get. Now if you use my link to sign up, or my bonus code, you get about I think $3. Yes, $3, and the minimum withdrawal is about $5. So you get $3. I'm having $1.24 because I did not use any link, or so that's why I'm having that, or maybe because I created. And then the reason it's taking time to connect is because I'm using a Wi-Fi now. Mm, I'm using a Wi-Fi and MTN G phone network, so it's not actually a phone. It's just a Wi-Fi, so that's why it's hard to connect now. So I'll just take you through the app and how it work. So to do surveys, you just come here, go to sign enable. That is why I said if you want to do offers, you can own your location, but I'm not doing that. So it's your choice if you choose to. So offers, I must own my location before I get. So and quest. So you can see daily 23 hours. So by doing this tax, you earn gems. So invite a friend and you get 5 gems. Complete three daily quests. You earn 12 gems. Now these gems can be can be um exchanged to dollars. Yes, it can be exchanged to dollars. Now let me show you how to do that. So you tap on this place 40 gems. Then you tap on these gems and just wait. Well, so this is where you check your gems history. Then now to use your gems, you come to this shop where it shows shop. Then you see and price with 10 gems. Now look at where is. So 1000 gems is $1. 2000 gems is $2. So when if you can accumulate um gems to 1000, you get $1 for and so this is where you check. Oh, I think this is my first account. So I just remember I used this Gmail account to sign up for it, because as you can see two referrals. So this was my first, and why it's showing $1 is because maybe I've withdrawn before. I can't remember now. So there's it. Now to refer your friends, you just go to this community at the down and type your link, copy your link and send to um your friends, So these are you earn on this platform. If you have any question, you can just put it on the comment section. So thank you for watching. If you want one of those videos, just like and subscribe. Before I forget, how do you withdraw? So you tap on this $1.24 where it's showing your balance. Just tap on it, and you can see $5 is the minimum withdrawal. So when you get to $5, you can request for it, or and you can see request through your referral earnings. So that is how you can earn on this platform.